Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and today is all about setting max frame rate with NVIDIA. Now, today I upgraded my NVIDIA drivers to the latest, and I like to play around with my settings to configure when I'm gaming or if I'm using particular programs that are going to take advantage of the frame rate. So they added this new option that allows you to adjust your frame rate, which is pretty cool. So you want to right click on your desktop, go inside the NVIDIA control panel. Within there, you want to go into manage 3D settings. Now there's two parts. You could do global, or you could pick your particular program that you want to max out the frame rate. Okay. On the global settings, you want to go all the way to the bottom to the point that you see max frame rate. By default, it is turned off. If you click on the drop down menu, you get a nice little kind of dialog box that pops up. You turn on and you change your frames per second, your frame rate. Now, if you have a particular program, you go inside Programs and Settings tab. You go inside the drop down. You pick your program. For this example, let's say Acrobat is the program that I want to adjust the frame rate. Within the menu, go all the way to the bottom. By default, it has use global settings, which is turned off. But if you click on the drop down menu, you are able to just turn it on for that particular application, adjust the frame per second, press OK, apply, and that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.